the camera. Oh, the skin is skinny. Okay. I have to sit down for this one, guys. All right. Whew. Hello, my beautiful people. Listen, I just finished my Pilates, took a shower, did my little facial, and I'm gonna do an unboxing. Finally, somebody sent me something. So, yes, and it just came at the perfect time. Hello, first of all, hi, I'm Lisa. Nice to meet you. I have been posting several videos. I normally don't talk, but I had to talk about this today. I got a bunch of stuff sent to me, and I'm just doing an unboxing. First of all, did you guys know that we're in Aquarius season? And I'm an Aquarian. So anyway, let me get into what I got sent, and then, like I said, I will be posting individual videos. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, We're gonna tighten up. We're gonna tighten up some of these wrinkles. We're gonna tighten up these wrinkles. I can't wait. I can't wait. So we got that. Okay. Yes. Trust me. All birthday long. Prepare to be sick of me. Prepare to be sick of me. A lot of selfies. A lot of selfies is coming. Oh, pheromone. I see. It's called Venom. Listen, I'm just gonna take a little whiff. I'm gonna take a little whiff, but I'm gonna do a separate video. We're gonna just pop that cap off. It's a spray. Okay. Let me just do a little. Just a little. Oh my god. It's something in here. Like,
nigga, this shit right here, nigga. Right here. This shit, nigga.
Wow. Listen, okay. I'm getting off track. Let me. Ooh, okay. All right. I'm impressed. All right, so we don't see what we got going on here. These are the bodysuits that was sent to me for me to test out and try on. All right, so I got 2 that are no sleeves and 2 of them that are long sleeves. So I'm just gonna show you a peek.
Okay, I got a chocolate brown, I got a black, I got a gray, and I got a green. And they sent me a cute little sundress.
That is it. I can't wait to test everything out, guys. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and just show you all the stuff that I got. Listen, stay tuned. January 24th is my birthday. Prepare to be sick of me.
Prepare to be sick of me.
I ordered so many stuff from TikTok Shop, from Amazon. Oh, I am going to be outside all 2024. I locked down in 2023, got my mind right. But now this year, I'm out and about. I'm going to be enjoying my life, and I'm keeping it positive. Anyway, toodles.